What's going on, guys? So I just finished installing this whole house filter system, as you can see here. So it's the iSpring filter system, and I didn't do an install video on it because there's a lot of videos, but I just wanted you to see my setup that I did. So I was a little limited to my space here, so this is my utility room here, and this is my line coming in right here, as you can see. So basically, I tied in to the CPVC, right, with a T over here, and I put a shut off right over here, right, and another T up there. So as you can see here, it comes in. I shut off over there to stop it from going into the house, and put the T over here. I went from 1¼ inch CPVC to 1 inch CPVC to 1 inch PEX. So I don't know if you guys ever worked with the PEX, but the PEX system is really easy and simple to work. It's just bands and you crimp it down, and very nice and easy, and it's, works great. So like I said, came in from here to here, up, and I'm putting a pressure gauge here so I can monitor the in and out. And basically, as you guys can see here, I'm getting the same pressure in and out. It's like less 1 pound on the out part, which is pretty great. So again, following over here, comes back up. There's my shut off, so I can isolate the filter system. So I got a shut off right here. This is the spin down filter. I'll come back to that in a second. And obviously these are the filters right here. Here's this shut off over here, like I said, to isolate the filters. Comes back up around, comes back down into the other filter, the other pressure gauge, and then right back into the house. So nice, easy, clean install. Very basic. It's if you have any plumbing experience, it's very easy, very simple. Again, working with the PEX system is very nice. So come to the sediment filter here, which is a nice thing to put in. It'll make your big filters last a little longer. And I actually set mine up, and I put in a hose, and I ran the hose right into my main drain, as you can see here. So I actually just tapped it. You can see, tapped it, and all I have to do is open up the valve right here, and that's it. And you can't see it obviously because it's water, but it's going right into my septic, and cleans out the filter, and then all I gotta do is shut it off. You see the pressure coming back up. Yeah. If I open up the valve, and here's the pressure dropping again, cleans that out. Close it. That's about it, guys. Pretty simple. Like I said, this is the big blue iSpring system, and they're going about $500 on Amazon. The whole thing cost me about $300 to install, so you're looking about $800. You got a whole house system, and to be honest with you, I my water wasn't that bad. Light to brownish, sometimes in the toilets, and a little bit of calcium buildup. But my hot water tank here, it was actually pretty bad inside. The elements were all covered up. So I'm like, you know what? I need to do something, because I want to replace this hot water tank, and I don't want to not do something. So the water wasn't too bad. Have I noticed the difference? Yes, I actually did notice a difference. Especially in the shower and the washing the dishes, and you definitely feel the difference in the water. I never had smell in my water, so I can't say that that it took the smell out. But I do notice a difference. The water is definitely nice and clean and clear, You know, before I would fill up a cup of water, you know, from the faucet, and I would see a little bit of crystallize inside the water. Nothing crazy, like I said. But now there's absolutely nothing at all. So definitely, guys, if you're interested in doing a system, you know, a whole house system, I don't know if you need to go, you know, the basically four. I got 4 filters here. I don't know if you need that, but you know, for the money, you know, like I said, $500 for a system. In my case, it cost me like $300. I did everything myself, all the plumbing supplies. That included all the piping, all the pegs, all the, you know, the gauges, everything. It's about 300 bucks. So that's about it, guys. I appreciate it. You know, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, any questions, please leave it below. And if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Have a wonderful. Catch you next time.